Hey guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious, quick and easy peach mango lemonade. Starting off, we're going to slice our peaches. And of course, I washed it prior to slicing it. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's all going to end up in a blender anyway. As you can see, I've already sliced my mangoes. If by any chance you're having a hard time getting the fruit to blend, add a little water and that should help to get the process rolling. Now that we're done taking our peach and mango puree and adding it to a large pot. Adding water and what seems to be a ton of sugar, but because we're making syrup, we're going to make the exception. Giving everything a quick stir to combine all of the ingredients. Before moving on to squeezing our fresh lemons. At this point, we'll be straining the peach and mango puree. Don't worry guys, I don't have 3 hands. Teamwork makes the team work. Taking my peach mango juice, I'm going to add it to a pitcher filled with ice, along with our fresh lemon juice and water, stirring once more and tasting for sweetness. The great thing about this drink is that it's all natural and you can take it from non-alcoholic and kid-friendly straight to happy hour by adding your favorite liquor. All recipes can be found at cookingwithtammy.recipes or in the link in the description bar. As always, enjoy!